Hello and welcome back. In our knowledge area learning series, today we will be covering the project quality management. Till now, in our knowledge area learning series, we have covered the 4 out of the 10 knowledge areas. First, we have covered is integration management, scope management, schedule management, cost management. Today, we will be covering the quality management. So, in our knowledge area learning series for project quality management, today we will be covering the 3 processes. First is plan quality management, manage quality, and control quality. So let's get started with the topic for today, which is project quality management. So for understanding the project quality management, we need to understand the keywords for the project quality management. So keywords for understanding the project quality management are: it incorporates organization's quality policy regarding the different activities like planning, managing, and controlling the product and project quality requirements in order to meet the stakeholders' objectives. So now we have to understand the key concept between what is quality and what is grade. So let's understand first the meaning of the quality. So quality is the degree to which product meets customers or end users requirements. Low quality product is always a problem and is never acceptable to the customer. So every item or every deliverable which the project team is producing should be of the high quality regardless of the grade. Whereas on the other side, grade is a category or attribute which is assigned to the product that has the same functional use but different technical characteristics. Products can be of high grade or low grade. Low grade is acceptable if it fulfills the requirement, whereas if the product is a high grade but it is of low quality, then the stakeholders will not accept that product. So the 3 processes in the project quality management process are: one in the planning process group, which is plan quality management. Second is executing process group, which is under manage quality. And third process is control quality, which is under the monitoring and controlling process group. So now let's understand the first process, which is plan quality management. So plan quality management is also the part of the planning process group. Keywords for understanding the plan quality management is: it identifies how the quality requirements and or obligor standards will be identified for the project and its deliverables. It documents how it will demonstrate the compliance with the quality requirements and obligor standards. Key benefit for this project is it provides guidance and directions on how the quality will be managed and verified throughout the project. So the output for the plan quality management process is quality management plan, quality matrices, project management plan updates, and project document updates. So if we will talk about the quality management plan, it has the following components, like what are the standards which we will follow in the project, what are the objectives of the quality, who will perform the quality, what are the control activities which will be followed, what will be the quality tools, and what are the responsibilities of the persons performing the quality. So in terms of other outputs for the plan quality management processes, first is quality matrices. So if we will talk about the quality matrices, can be percentage of tasks completed on time, what is the failure rate, how many number of defects identified per day, what is the total downtime per month, and how many number of errors found. Then the project management plan updates, it could be in the risk management plan or risk scope baseline. Then the project document update, it could be in lesson learned register, risk register, stakeholder register. The second process is manage quality. So manage quality is also the part of the executing process group. Keyword for understanding the manage quality is it translates the quality management plan into the executable activities, which will incorporate the organization's quality regarding the project. Key benefits are it increases the probability of meeting the quality objectives. It identifies what are the ineffective processes in the project, what are the causes of the poor quality. In terms of the output for the managed quality are, it can be the quality report It depends upon the project. Quality reports can be of graphical, numerical, or it can be qualitative. Then the test and evaluation documents generated in the project, change register, project document updates, and project management plan updates. The last process is control quality process. The control quality process is a part of the monitoring and controlling process group. Keywords for understanding the control quality is it monitors and records the results of the quality management activities so that we can assess the performance and we can understand whether the quality is of the high quality or low quality. It ensures project outputs are complete, correct, and meet customers' expectations. It determines if the project outputs do what they are intended to do as per our planned quality process. Key outputs for control quality are quality control measurement, what are the verified deliverables, work performance information, change requests, project management plan updates, project document updates. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to write in our comment section and we will try to reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is ASA Learning, to learn more, and happy learning.